Social media and social media advertising is something really popular among businesses and small business owners these days, especially after pandemic. But is it something effective? Is this social media advertising effective, or is it worth to spend your money on something like social media advertising? Let's talk about it. What is this social media advertising? Really simple. Social media advertising is the advertisements that serve for the people who spend their time in these social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. They are the most popular ones. People like to spend their free time in these social media platforms. Also, these people like to do shopping while connecting with their families, while watching videos and having fun. So, that is a great opportunity for business owners. As I told earlier, there are many different types of social media platforms, as well as there are many different types of social media marketing. So, as this digital marketing and social media marketing grows, businesses have many different options of advertising to choose from. All these different types of social media marketing have their own advantages as well as their limitations. So, business owners, according to their products and according to their brand, should be very careful when selecting which type of advertising should they choose from. Mainly, there are 4 different types of advertisements: photo ads, video ads, messenger ads, and story ads. Photo ads may be the most familiar type for you. These photo ads are more popular in platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. These photo ads are really great for building awareness of your products because the product itself is right in front of the customer in a more eye-catching way. Just make sure to keep your images in a consistent style so the users immediately can associate the ad with your brand. Then the second type of advertisement is video ads. According to the researchers, people are more likely to watch the full video if the video is under 1 minute long. This means that you may have only 1 minute to attract the customers if you try to promote your brand through video ads. The best platform for these types of video ads may be the TikTok. But now Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts are trying to get that opportunity to their platforms. So, if you try to promote your brand through video ads, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube may be the best platforms for you. Again, make sure that your style of these videos are in a consistent way so the users can easily connect with your brand. Then the third type of ad is story ads. According to the study done by Instagram Business, half of the surveyed users visited the website to buy product as a result of seeing them on the story ads. So you see, the story ads are that much important in small business. If you try to sell your products or services in a story ad type, then Instagram and Facebook must be the best options for you. Instagram stories can play up to 120 seconds, whether it is in a video format or in a photo format. These story ads are in full screen mode, so the user have to pay the full attention for the product or the service. So you see, story ads may be the most effective type of ad for your brand. Then the fourth type of ad is messenger ad. No, the social media ads don't necessarily have to be on the news feed of the user. It can be in the user's chat tab. So the potential customer can click on the ad while texting and do the shopping. So you see, it is that much easy and that much opportunity for small businesses. So as I told earlier, you must have a best understanding about your brand and your product and these social media platforms. So you can choose the best type of advertisement and best platform for your brand and your products. It is crucial for a small business to meet the potential customers, meet the right audience to become successful. So I hope this video will help you to choose the right advertisement and right social media platform for your brand. Let's meet with another video. Have a wonderful week ahead.